affect your life. अच्छा, then the fourth thing is therapy or journaling. ठीक है, to actually process where this need for approval came from in the first place. ठीक है, हमें पहले पहले इस चीज़ को रिकग्नाइज करना वो पड़ेगा कि ये हमें अप्रूवल जो है इसकी हमें वजह क्यों हो रही है. Why do we feel like we need this? ठीक है, we need to ask ourselves कि हमें कुछ experience है, or childhood experience or whatever adulthood experiences, we need to ask this thing first to ourselves कि if we are what are the things that causes this. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम उसके बाद जो है थेरेपी जर्नलिंग करके we can write and उससे ये होगा you will process your emotions and everything. ठीक है, now the fifth thing is affirm yourself daily. Write or say 3 things you genuinely value about yourself every morning or night. ठीक है, मतलब कि you just say things, you say affirmations. You all have heard about affirmations कि जो है I am worthy, I'm self-worthy or whatever. ठीक है, ताकि it just maintains and builds your self-worth. ठीक है, so use affirmations and write. ठीक है, do journal therapy. It will help you maintain a good self-worth. Okay guys, that's it. Bringing it all together. External validation is basically borrowed I would like to say something. External validation is borrowed light. It's never fully yours. Social media culture and childhood all condition us to seek approval. Chasing that approval fuels anxiety, identity loss, and constant comparison. But internal validation is a skill. Okay? It is a skill. It is not something that can be taught by money. It is something that you can learn on your own and your own honesty. So it is a skill. It can be built daily with practice. And the most important thing I want you to leave with this is that you were enough before anyone ever told you so. And external validation is borrowed light. Internal validation is building your own light, and that one never goes out. If you have your own light, that will never dim. That's it. Thank you so much guys for attending this session. If you have any questions.
Thank you so much, Ms. Zainab. It was a very excellent presentation and I really like it. And I hope participants को भी बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी. Participants, if you have any questions, you can ask Ms. Zainab. And thank you so much, Ms. Zainab. It was a very कहते हैं कि बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म की presentation दी है. Because I am saying कि I want to add something that you आपने एक बहुत ही complex topic को आपने बहुत easy बना के पेश किया. ये टॉपिक बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, बहुत सारे लोगों को समझ भी नहीं आता. एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट कि आपने ये बहुत आसानी से बनाया है, ये आसानी से. सो एनीवन हैज़ एनी क्वेश्चंस दे कैन आस्क एट द चैट बॉक्स. एनी क्वेश्चंस पीपल? किसी का कोई सवाल है तो माइक पे भी कह सकता है या चैट पे भी कह सकता है. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, indeed